If you've ever watched a cow resting, you've seen them chewing constantly, even hours after they've finished eating. This is rumination, famously known as chewing the cud. It looks peaceful, but it is actually a highly coordinated, reverse-engineered mechanical process. It's designed to keep the fermentation lab from clogging up. It all starts in the reticulum, the honeycomb-lined gatekeeper of the stomach. When large, long pieces of grass float to the top of the rumen fluid, they hit a dead end. They are too big to move forward, so the reticulum executes a sudden, powerful double contraction. This forces a ball of undigested fiber up against the lower esophageal sphincter. The animal takes a sudden, involuntary inhalation with its glottis closed, creating a vacuum in its chest. This sucks the food bolus into the esophagus. Through reverse peristalsis, muscle contractions propel this cud backward, traveling up the neck at an astonishing speed of several feet per second. The animal ray chews this material for about 50 to 60 seconds, crushing it with its flat, heavy molars. Every strike of the jaw breaks the physical plant structure down further, creating fresh fractures in the cellulose fortress. This gives our microbial army thousands of new entry points to attach themselves to and digest. Once crushed, it's swallowed again. But this continuous mechanical chewing serves a second, arguably more critical purpose: chemical stabilization. The rumen becomes increasingly acidic. If the pH drops below 5.5, a lethal condition called rumen acidosis sets in. The helpful bacteria die, toxins flood the blood. To prevent this, the animal deploys its ultimate weapon: saliva. A dairy cow can produce an unbelievable 100 to 150 liters of saliva every day. Ruminant saliva is a high-strength chemical buffer. It is heavily packed with sodium bicarbonate, literally baking soda, and phosphate. Every time the cow chews its cud, it pumps gallons of this alkaline shield back down into the rumen, neutralizing the volatile fatty acids. But it's not just acid they have to manage, its pressure. Remember those 30 to 50 liters of gas produced every hour? To get rid of it, the animal relies on eructation or belching. But here is the crazy part: you almost never hear or see a cow belch. The rumen contracts, pushing the gas bubble forward. The animal breathes in, drawing the gas straight into its lungs first. Then the animal quietly exhales it out through the nostrils. It's a silent, continuous venting mechanism that runs 24 hours a day. The cow grinds the fiber, pumps in the buffers, and vents the gas, keeping the microbial metropolis perfectly happy. But this isn't a charity. The cow is playing a long, calculated game. And as we cross into the lower digestive system, the microbes discover the terrifying price of their free rent: